In gaming, your controller is your connection to the action. For years, gamers have searched for the perfect controller, often paying a premium for pro models with extra features. But what if you could get that pro feel without the pro price? Enter the world of DIY controller mods. Modding isn't new. People have customized their tech for decades. Now, gamers are transforming their controllers, especially the PlayStation 5's DualSense, into something personal. Online communities are thriving, sharing guides, paint jobs, and LED mods. The most popular upgrade? Adding back buttons or paddles. These let you jump or reload without moving your thumbs, giving you a real edge. Pro players love them, but they've always been expensive. That's changing thanks to a new wave of DIY enthusiasts. With a few tools and some creativity, anyone can build a custom controller. It's not just about saving money, it's about making something truly yours. The DIY scene proves innovation doesn't just come from big companies. Sometimes the best ideas start at a kitchen table. And now, more gamers are discovering how easy and rewarding modding can be. Let's dive into how one simple mod can transform your game. Picture a standard PS5 controller, until you flip it over and spot two custom back buttons. This isn't a pricey pro model, it's a regular DualSense upgraded at home. DIY mods add real function, changing how you play. The goal: add back buttons using basic, affordable parts. The secret: simple micro switches, the same kind found in a computer mouse. No fancy tech, just clever engineering. A 3D printed insert holds the switches perfectly in place. 3D printing lets modders create custom parts for a factory quality fit. The result: solid, responsive buttons that feel like they belong. This wasn't built in a lab, but on a workbench by a dedicated gamer. It's proof that anyone can upgrade their gear. You don't need to settle for off-the-shelf options. With a little research and effort, you can craft a controller that fits your style. The power to customize is in your hands, and the results can rival anything you'd buy in a store. Open up this modded controller and you'll see meticulous work. Every wire is trimmed and routed with care. No mess, no tangles. The 3D printed insert fits snugly, holding everything in place. This is craftsmanship you'd expect from a pro. But flip it over, and the story changes. The hole for the back buttons is rough, with jagged edges. It's not pretty, but it works. This contrast tells a story. The creator prioritized function over looks. The inside is flawless. The outside, a badge of DIY pride. It's a reminder that perfection isn't always the goal. What matters is performance and reliability. This controller isn't trying to be a factory clone. It's unique, built for play, not for show. And that's what makes it special. Hold this controller, and the rough exterior fades away. The back buttons are perfectly placed, right where your fingers rest. No awkward grip, just natural comfort. Each press delivers a crisp, satisfying click, thanks to those micro switches. There's no mushiness, just instant, reliable feedback. The 3D printed bracket keeps everything solid. It feels as sturdy as any factory button. The creator focused on what matters: comfort, feedback, and reliability. The result? A controller that feels better than stock. It's proof you don't need to spend big for a premium experience. The real reward is using something you built yourself. This isn't just a tool, it's a trophy for your hands, and it gives you a real edge in every game. This homemade PS5 mod is more than a cool gadget. It's a symbol of the DIY movement. With basic parts and curiosity, anyone can become a creator. Micro switches cost little, but unlock big possibilities. The internet is full of guides and communities ready to help. You don't need fancy tools or a tech degree, just a willingness to learn. Even if your first mod isn't perfect, it can still be amazing to use. The pride of building your own gear is unmatched. Your controller becomes a reflection of your creativity. Don't see your tech as untouchable, see it as a canvas. Start small, watch tutorials, and experiment. The path to custom gear is more open than ever. This PS5 mod proves you can turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. All it takes is the courage to try.